Yes, good day. We are looking at today Sqa Opm checklist guide. Today we are using the Transno platform and I'll be looking at task number 3. Task number 3 using the Transno platform. So task number 3 of this assignment question, there are a couple things that you need to do for this task. Right, the first thing I would encourage students to do is to define management information systems. That's the first thing. And you can define it using scholarship. You can use non-academic sources as well. Students could also make reference to firms that have used management information systems successfully, apart from your company. Even referencing to the firm of your choice, yes. So this is something I would have encouraged all through the program. In the event that you are unaware of your company's platform, you don't know much about the details. For example, if you chose a company that you don't work for, then I would encourage you all to discuss the benefits management information systems, right, can bring to that particular organization. So you're encouraged to discuss if that situation exists, discuss ways in which management information systems can benefit that company's particular operation, strategic goals, etc. Since it's a discussion, challenges in applying or in using such platforms can also be mentioned in the firm or otherwise. So there are often challenges when we implement software. All right. Well, cost can be a challenge. Adapting to the new culture could be a challenge, right? Just for guidance sake, you will see if you click this area here, you will see the details of the part of the question that this is focused on. So this is focused on the part of the question that discusses the role of management information systems in assisting management towards achieving their strategic goals and operations success within the chosen organization. Note that it's one question, but we would have broken it up. All right, you have different aspects of the question or different notes for different parts of the question. All right, just broke it up a bit to make the question more palatable, at least in your attempt to answer the question. All right. So this is the purpose of the guideline, to assist you all to ensure that it's easier to maneuver all these different aspects of this one question. All right, so that's the first note. Second thing you should do on the issue of ICT, discuss through examples how ICT has supported and improved the firm's operation. A definition again of ICT through scholarship is also encouraged, right? And you can discuss ICT in the context of your company as well. If you are to look at the question focus, you should then conduct a critical evaluation of the role of ICT application in supporting as well as enhancing operations management, again within the chosen company. So the guideline states on the issue of ICT, a definition should be done, and you should talk about how ICT would have supported or improved the firm's operation. All right. Now the last note, exploring. All right. Exploring what must be implemented before we try to optimize operations through IT solutions is important here. Suggesting workable IT solutions that can improve the current platforms could also be discussed. There's an opportunity to draw from other organizations, recommending that your firm can apply or implement what others have done. Finally, or at some point, I would encourage you all to bring AI into the mix. Artificial intelligence have been contributing towards many operations, whether it be Amazon or Walmart. All right, AI is now revolutionizing the operation, reducing your overheads, using big data, pulling big data, filtering that data, and allowing an organization to make well-calculated decisions. So this relates to which question? Which part of the question? Sorry. Question focus. Finally, you must proceed to analyze several requirements, appropriate methods and technologies, such as AI, that could help in the optimization of the operations within the organization. And these are the guidelines. This is the guideline here for this part of the question. All right. I hope this helps. If you need clarity, please let me know. Thank you.